Hi, I'm Sally. I am a general dentist. I am a cosmetic dentist and I also do facial aesthetics. I wasn't getting my margin right, and this is the main thing. And I also think it's the hardest thing with anterior composites is to get your bevel to make sure that the margin is quite invisible. And I don't think I was etching correctly with Dipesh. He spent a lot of time talking to me about exactly how much I need to be etching the tooth, where I need to be applying the bond, which type of bond I need to be using, and how to make the margin as discreet as possible. I've learned from the course that I'm going to etch most of the tooth, if not all of the tooth. I'm going to be using bond in the areas necessary, and I'm going to over etch. So when I put my final layer of composite on, it's actually going over my bevel and going over towards the gingival margin, and also using an opaquer. So whenever we've got two margins that are meeting, that line is quite obvious, and it might not be obvious clinically, but when the patient goes home and looks in the mirror in different lights, that margin is going to be visible. But with something like an opaquer and the right amount of bevel and 0.5 millimeters of composite of microfill with the polishing process, then absolutely I can see that that's going to get rid of that margin for me.